Welcome to Color by the Numbers.
with hex value hash 191A90 has the following properties. Color number 164520 has a hue of dew with a saturation of 46.7% and a lightness of 56.5%. Color number 164520 is composed seed of 56.5% red, 10.2% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164525 with hex value hash 191B71 has the following properties. Color number 164525 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 34.5% and a lightness of 44.3%. Color number 164545 is composed seed of 44.3% red, 10.6% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164550 with hex value hash 191C52 has the following properties. Color number 164550 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 22.4% and a lightness of 32.2%. Color number 164550 is composed seed of 32.2% red, 11.0% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164585 with hex value hash 191D33 has the following properties. Color number 164585 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 10.2% and a lightness of 20.0%. Color number 164585 is composed seed of 20.0% red, 11.4% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164610 with hex value hash 191E14 has the following properties. Color number 164610 has a hue of 6 with a saturation of 3.9% and a lightness of 11.8%. Color number 164610 is composed seed of 7.8% red, 11.8% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164635 with hex value hash 191F5 has the following properties. Color number 164635 has a hue of dew with a saturation of 86.3% and a lightness of 96.1%. Color number 164635 is composed seed of 96.1% red, 11.8% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164650 with hex value hash 191FD6 has the following properties. Color number 164650 has a hue of dew with a saturation of 74.1% and a lightness of 83.9%. Color number 164650 is composed seed of 83.9% red, 12.2% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164675 with hex value hash 1920B7 has the following properties. Color number 164675 has a hue of dew with a saturation of 62.0% and a lightness of 71.8%. Color number 164675 is composed seed of 71.8% red, 12.5% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164700 with hex value hash 192198 has the following properties. Color number 164700 has a hue of dew with a saturation of 49.8% and a lightness of 59.6%. Color number 164700 is composed seed of 59.6% red, 12.9% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 164725 with hex value hash 192279 has the following properties. Color number 164725 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 37.6% and a lightness of 47.5%. Color number 164725 is composed seed of 47.5% red, 13.3% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1647450 with hex value hash 19235A has the following properties. Color number 1647450 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 25.5% and a lightness of 35.3%. Color number 1647450 is composed seed of 35.3% red, 13.7% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1647675 with hex value hash 19243B has the following properties. Color number 1647675 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 13.3% and a lightness of 23.1%. Color number 1647675 is composed seed of 23.1% red, 14.1% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1647900 with hex value hash 19251C has the following properties. Color number 1647900 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 4.7% and a lightness of 14.5%. Color number 1647900 is composed seed of 11.0% red, 14.5% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1648125 with hex value hash 1925FD has the following properties. Color number 1648125 has a hue of 2 with a saturation of 89.4% and a lightness of 99.2%. Color number 1648125 is composed seed of 99.2% red, 14.5% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1648350 with hex value hash 1926B has the following properties. Color number 1648350 has a hue of 2 with a saturation of 77.3% and a lightness of 87.1%. Color number 1648350 is composed seed of 87.1% red, 14.9% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1648575 with hex value hash 1927PF has the following properties. Color number 1648575 has a hue of 2 with a saturation of 65.1% and a lightness of 74.9%. Color number 1648575 is composed seed of 74.9% red, 15.3% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1648800 with hex value hash 1928A0 has the following properties. Color number 1648800 has a hue of 2 with a saturation of 52.9% and a lightness of 62.7%. Color number 1648800 is composed seed of 62.7% red, 15.7% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1649025 with hex value hash 192981 has the following properties. Color number 1649025 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 40.8% and a lightness of 50.6%. Color number 1649025 is composed seed of 50.6% red, 16.1% green and 9.8% blue. Color number 1649250 with hex value hash 192A62 has the following properties. Color number 1649250 has a hue of 4 with a saturation of 28.6% and a lightness of 38.4%. Color number 1649250 is composed seed of 38.4% red, 16.5% green and 9.8% blue.
If you enjoyed this color by the numbers on at Autonomy Aussie Education, please see like, dislike, or subscribe if you'd like to see more. I appreciate your feedback and read every comment, as this is a spare time hobby. Please be aware that implementing changes may be a gradual process. At Autonomy channel contains updates and works in progress on all channels. At Autonomy core channel contains general statistics and background information. Happy YouTube travels!